my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all another classic breakfast recipe, and also it's International Waffle Day. We're going to make old-fashioned buttermilk waffles. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. This will be your go-to waffle recipe. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and perfect for your upcoming brunch. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more waffle recipes, check out my waffle recipes playlist and my previous video, Lucky Charms Cookies. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your buttermilk, and get your waffle maker heating up sugar, because we're about to make some buttermilk waffles magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, the first step we're going to do is whip up our egg whites. In my bowl, I have 2 extra large egg whites, and we're going to use the yolks later. We're going to whip these until they stiff white peaks. Alrighty, my friends, our egg whites is nice and stiff. This is what they look like. Beautiful white clouds. Perfect. And the egg whites will make our waffle super moist. So now we're ready to get started on our waffle batter. We need 1 3/4 cup of self-rising flour. So we're going to start with the 1 cup measurement. Going to fluff it up. Going to level it off. And voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into our large bowl. Now we need a 1/2 cup. Again, fluff it up. Leveled off. Perfect 1/2 cup. Now we need a 1/4 cup. And a perfect 1/4 cup. And into our self-rising flour, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons plus a 1/4 teaspoon of white sugar. And we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together until they're well combined. And if you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour and add in a tablespoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, my friends, so now we're going to make a well in the center. Now it's time to add in our wet ingredients. A 1/4 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I've melted and cooled. 2 egg yolks. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract. And of course, this isn't buttermilk waffles without some buttermilk. We're going to add in 1 1/2 cups. And I had some buttermilk in the refrigerator. But if you don't have any, you can make your own. And I have a recipe for that. I'll post a link to it down below in the description box. We're going to mix these together until they're well blended. And be careful not to overmix. Alrighty, my friends. So now it's time to add in our last ingredient. Our egg whites that we made earlier. And fold them in. Smells good. You can smell the vanilla extract and the maple extract. Alrighty, as soon as I get through folding in my egg whites, I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through folding in the egg whites. And this is what it looks like. Fluffy whipped waffle batter. That looks great. So now we're going to let our waffle batter rest while I preheat my waffle maker. Alrighty, my friends, our waffle maker is preheated. Oh yeah, nice and hot. You can see the steam. So now I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray in the top too, so that way our waffle won't stick. So now we're going to use our half a cup measurement. Going to scoop onto the waffle maker like so. And spread it evenly. Alrighty, so now we're going to cover our maker. And we're going to let our waffle cook until it's golden brown. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, let's take a look at our waffle. Gorgeous! Nice and golden brown. So now I'm going to brush my waffle with some melted butter. Oh yes. Isn't that pretty? Alrighty, so now I'm going to finish cooking the rest of my waffles, and then I'll fix me up a plate, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I'm through cooking my waffles, and I have 3 on my plate. There's a couple more things we got to add to it. A pat of butter, and last but not least, some maple syrup. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. Old-fashioned buttermilk waffles. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Spread my butter a little bit. Look at that. Have a bite. Light and fluffy, buttery, bursting with buttermilk goodness. These waffles are spectacular, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Buttermilk waffle-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.